I also took some medicine. I also took some pain reliever. I also took that where you decided to lay. Stinker. It's Bodhi day. Hi. What you doing, kid? Hi, Bodhi. So these measurements are something I had been like waiting on. Yesterday I polyed these, but I didn't use my regular poly. I used my spray poly, and it just took a really long time to dry. They're honestly, parts of it were still like slightly tacky today. So possibly in the future I may sand them down a little bit more and poly them with my regular poly. But now that I have these measurements, I can start making the door to this, and I'm going to be doing the cedar like I did underneath the couch. But I woke up with a knot in my shoulder, and I had a feeling that was going to happen because I went to the gym a couple days ago, and there's been this knot tight spot in my shoulder that's been there on and off for over a year. So I felt it coming back, and it is there. So it's just a little frustrating today. Like, the pain is frustrating when I do certain movements. So hopefully moving around will help loosen that up. I also took some pain reliever, so hopefully that will help, but I'm looking forward to that not being so irritating today. Why is that where you decided to lay? Stinker. It's a very exciting day today. Not only because it's Wednesday, the weather is bad, but because we have to run a few errands. And it's Bodhi day! It's Bodhi day! It's Bodhi day! Okay, you guys sit down, kid. Alright, so on the agenda, he's also molting, so he's like full of hair. You guys sit down, strap up. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, alright, so on the agenda today, we need to return a few things at Menards. We need to go to Home Depot and get hopefully the last sheet of plywood I will have to buy for this build. We need to go to the pet store. But the most important is we gotta go get a pop cup. We gotta get this kid a pop cup. He loves pop cups. He just doesn't really know what they're called because we don't get them very often, do we, kid? We don't. This is a nice, oh, thank you for that pop. Look both ways. Is anyone coming that way? Okay, let's go. There you go. Why are you so stinking cute? Why are you so stinking cute?
Are you allowed to have a treat?
Oh yeah, he would love that. I'll give it to him because he takes fingers.
Oh.
Thank you. Here you go. Sit. What you got? What you got? You happy? One of the reasons why I came to Home Depot last to get that plywood is because It's supposed to rain all morning. Clearly, it is still sprinkling out, so that sucks because it's not like I have a trailer to put the wood in. I'm literally putting it in the back of the truck, so it's going to get a little wet, but it's not like pouring rain. It's like still sprinkling, but not the best situation, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And I also have to get gas, so. Anyway, heading home. With kind of the cooler, crappy weather today, we'll see how quick this poly dries. If it's not drying super fast, I'll shut the garage door and turn on some heaters, but I'd rather not do that because it makes the lighting in here worse. I can't see as well. And also, I'm going to be going back and forth to the bus a lot, so. We got the dogs out here, they're sniffing around. I should probably focus on lighter layers. The other day it was drying so fast I was able to slop on some thick layers, but I should probably focus on going a little bit lighter today. So I found out about these piano hinges after my first build, and I've been fascinated by them ever since. So I'm excited that I'm using them in most of my stuff that I'm building. On to the next. I bought these duty felt pads that I'm going to put underneath the seat so it doesn't like rattle against the wood underneath. I don't know if it would do that, but I felt like it probably would, so I'm gonna place these and hopefully it gives a little cushion and it doesn't make like a rattling noise when I'm driving or when you like sit down. And then I stuck one on the top side so when it hits this, it doesn't like scratch it or dent or anything.